Deluxe Mayfair Lagoon, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. World where every need and desire of yours is manifested with the slightest gesture. With the feeling of coming home, guest has the luxury of choosing from an exceptional range of well-appointed club rooms, deluxe cottages, your furniture, a spacious living room, all designed keeping in mind your need to work, unwind and de-stress. Special care is taken to ensure that you enjoy the luxuries of Mayfair, a lifestyle you so much deserve. The calming views and at Teapot that gives you a choice that includes low-calorie health foods created by our in-house nutritionist. Cuisine at our legendary Nakli Dhaba. You could go on a gastronomic adventure. Mayfair Convention is a luxury business hotel across the street from Mayfair Lagoon. With an abundant use of rich DJ who takes you on a new high as the night gets young, experience complete peace of mind in the lap of luxury. Come, experience the jewel of the East.
How did you like this hotel? Amazing, no? Spick and span, neat and clean. You know, when you enter this kind of hotel, you feel so happy, so relaxed. This is a 5-star hotel. Now you must be thinking that why I'm talking about the hotel. You must have heard about different categories of hotel. 5-star, 5-star deluxe, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star. Now, do you know that how this star is being graded? There is a committee, and this committee is known as HRACC, Hotel and Restaurant Approval Classification Committee. This committee go to each and every hotel and give their score, and accordingly they award, depending on the scorecard, that whether the hotel will be graded as a 5-star deluxe, 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star and 1-star. You must be thinking that ये hotel 5-star, 4-star, इससे मेरा क्या मतलब? नहीं, इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. Why I have given this example? So that when we make the immunity scorecard, we will be able to understand our body, whether it is a 5-star immunity level, 4-star immunity level, 3-star, 2-star and 1-star. So that accordingly you can take action to improve your immunity level. In this video, we will also make a scorecard to understand our immunity level. Now this immunity level you cannot have from a blood test. There is no such blood test. So, how do you know that what is your present immunity level? And that is the reason we'll discuss that how to prepare this scorecard, and we'll check ourselves one by one about the score. At the end of the video, we'll be able to know our immunity level by seeing our score. Those who are new to my channel, for them, I am Anutosh Bhakta, Professor, Life Skill Coach and Nutrition. चलिए, हम और आप देखते हैं लाइफ चेंजिंग चैनल कौन बनेगा काबिल. Before we make a scorecard, I will request all of you take a pen and paper so that you can judge your immunity score right now. Before we proceed further, let us understand one thing very clearly. That the body which is clean from inside will automatically have the high level of immunity. Let us understand this with an example. Suppose we have 2 dustbins. One dustbin is empty and another dustbin is full of garbage. The virus, bacteria will be attracted naturally, which is full of garbage. Similarly, when our body is not clean from inside, which are having a lots of waste and lots of toxin, then automatically the germs, virus, etc. will be attracted and will have a low immunity level. Let us also understand that why we are having toxin and waste deposited in our body. Now, when we eat a wrong food and we eat continuously, our body cannot digest it properly, and the waste are slowly deposited in our body internally, which is known as a toxin, and is as a result the virus, bacteria, etc. are being attracted and we are prone to disease. So it is said the highly clean body equal to highly immune body. You must be thinking that how can I know whether my body is clean internally? What is my present immunity level? Right. 1,000 years back, our Veda has described the science to understand our immunity level.
देह सर्वत्र च उष्णस्य समता लाघवं सुखं शुत तीक्ष्ण गढ़ निद्र च मनसो अपि प्रसन्नता शरीर कर्म सामर्थ्यम अनलस्य च कर्मसु स्वतः स्वेदो गमकले स्वास्थ्य लक्षणतिः.
Now we'll discuss one by one that how we can understand our immunity level and we can find out our present score. Now Vedas say that we have 8 symptoms. If we find it out, these 8 symptoms, we can very easily understand our immunity level. Now let us make a scorecard. आपने पेन एंड पेपर ले लिया ना? So let us start one by one.
इस श्लोक में बहुत डिटेल में इम्यूनिटी के 8 लक्षण बताए गए हैं.
While we'll be discussing, please make your own scorecard. So at the end, we'll be knowing your immunity score.
स्वतः स्वेदो गमकले.
It means our bowel should be clear every day at right time and in right quantity. If the bowel is not cleared every day, it means the toxin or waste is being deposited in our body. And please remember that bowel should be cleared without any medicine. Now, if bowel is not clear every day, it means that we have toxin and waste deposited in our body. As we said earlier, that when we have a waste and the toxin in our body, automatically the germs, virus, bacteria are being attracted. So, if your bile is being cleared every day at the right time and in right quantity, then please put a tick mark on your scorecard.
लाघवम.
Symptom number 2. No excess weight. Now when your bowel is cleared every day, automatically you will have less toxin in your body and which will help to maintain your weight. But if you are having constipation, it means waste and toxins are deposited in your body, which will aid to increase your weight. So overweight means the less immunity. So put a tick mark or a cross mark according to your symptom. Symptom number 3, clear skin. Now when your body is clean from internally, you will automatically have the clear and shining skin. It is said that skin is the mirror of the internal body. If you have acne, rashes, etc., it means that you are having toxin deposited in your blood. It means that you are having low immunity level. So if your skin is clear, put a tick mark. आप स्कोर कार्ड बना रहे हैं ना? Another 5 symptoms. Very shortly we'll be able to know our score. So let us discuss symptom number 4.
अनलस्य चकर्मसु.
It means the absence of laziness. Now, when you wake up in the morning, if you feel lazy and during the daytime, if you feel sleepy, it means you have toxin deposited in your blood. So when you will feel fresh and when you will not feel sleepy during the daytime and will always feel energetic, that means your immunity level is higher.
शुद्ध तीक्ष्ण.
Point number 5. It means you should have a strong sense of hunger. जब भूख लगे तो तेज भूख लगना चाहिए, कम से कम दिन में 1 बार और 2 बार. Many people, they don't feel hungry. तेज भूख नहीं लगता है. इसके मतलब the food which they ate before, it has not yet been digested and waste is depositing in the body. So when you will feel hungry, तेज भूख जब feel करोगे, it means that your digestion process is strong. You are digesting your food properly. So that means there is no waste in your internal body, and it means your immunity level will increase.
गड़ निद्रा.
6th symptom. It means experiencing the deep sleep. Now there are people, those who do not sleep properly or cannot sleep properly. रात में बीच बीच में उठते रहते हैं, अच्छा से नींद नहीं आते हैं. जब बेड पे जाते हैं, नींद आने में बहुत देर लग जाते हैं. It means if you are facing this kind of a problem, it means you are having a low immunity level. So, take your scorecard or cross mark your scorecard according to your experience. 7th symptom, no pain in the body. कभी इधर दर्द, कभी इधर दर्द, कभी इधर दर्द. You should not feel the pain in your body. If you don't feel pain very often in your body, it means you are having high immunity level. But if you feel continuously a pain, कहीं ना कहीं pain हो रहा है, it means you are having low immunity level. The last symptom, that is symptom number 8, experiencing the positive thought. It means whether you are feeling happy all the day or you are feeling sad all the day. Now you will see that there are people, they are always sad and they become angry with a small incident. Now when you experience this, please understand that means the toxin has deposited in your body, waste has deposited in your body, and that is the reason you are having low immunity. Because when our body is not internally clean, that means when the toxin has deposited in our body, it will affect our mind also. So these are the 8 symptoms. I believe you have completed your score. Now what is your score? Dekho, don't worry. Whatever might be your score, whether it is 3, 5, 7, whatever, no issue. Don't worry. Our Mother Nature has given us an amazing solution to increase our immunity. We'll discuss how to increase our immunity in our next video. Hopefully, I will publish this video very shortly. तब तक खुश रहिए, खुशी बांटते रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए. And how you like this video. Please comment below. I'll be waiting for your comments and let me know your score also. फिर मिलते हैं in the next video. धन्यवाद.